Let's move on now. The goods and services tax collected in the month of May grew by 12% annually to more than 1.5 lakh crore rupees. However, this is lower than the record GST collections of nearly 1.9 lakh crore rupees in April. The monthly GST revenue is about 1.4 lakh crore rupees for the 14th month in a row. And with that, let's talk about the auto space now. Some automakers released sales for the month of May after market hours yesterday. Sonia is here with the roundup. Hey, Sonia.
Thanks a lot for that. So, in the auto segment, the space I'm watching very closely is the two-wheeler space because almost all the companies that came out with their numbers post-market hours looked pretty good, and the domestic growth has been solid, although exports continue to be under pressure. So let's quickly run you through some of the numbers. Hero MotoCorp's total sales growth came in at about 7% year-on-year. Largely in line with what the street was estimating, coming in at 5.19 lakh units. The expectation was 5.2 lakh units, so largely in line with estimates. TVS Motor as well, a total sales growth of 9% is what the company reported, coming in at 3.3 lakh units. Over there, the exports continue to be under pressure, although the domestic sales are very strong. And then you have Royal Enfield. Remember, the Hunter was a very good product and has received good demand. So on the back of that, the Royal Enfield total sales went up by 22%, coming in well above Nomura's estimates at 77,461 units. The expectation was 76,000 units. So all three of these companies will perhaps be in the green today. Remember, yesterday Bajaj Auto's numbers also surprised positively. So that's the big takeaway, that the two-wheeler sector has come back, especially in the domestic market. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Sonia, for joining us and making sense of those auto sales numbers for the month of May. In fact, M&M also released its May sales numbers yesterday, and the management will join us to discuss this at 9:40 a.m. On Bazaar Morning Call. So stay tuned for that.